biomass is plant and animal matter such as wood, straw, sewage, and waste food. This is the image of straw bale. Type of feedstock is wood and waste wood. Come from forest, and palm oil, agriculture waste, livestock waste can also be used to generate methane gas. Livestock waste it come from animal waste. Municipal solid waste (MSW) is known as trash or garbage household waste. They are either solid or semi-solid form. For example, furniture, clothing, food scraps, and or newspapers. The next is site selection for biomass in Malaysia. Biomass energy plants at the location where the bulk of the agricultural waste stream is generated. Second, soil is suitable for industrial construction. Space for biomass power generation, and have space for the storage of biomass on site, and sufficient road access for trucks, and forcing residential, cultural, or nature protected areas nearby. Next is difficulty of implementation and technology. First is the ash content of biomass influence the expenses related to handling and processing. Electricity sales price of renewable energy electricity is below the unit cost of production. Third is developers facing difficulty to obtain financing for biomass-based power generation project. Groundwater contamination and uncontrolled release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. This is the difference in carbon dioxide production between biomass conversion came from coal, natural gas, oil, and non-conventional come from renewable energy biomass. The difference is produce a lot of carbon dioxide, methane, and others, and prevent the product. While for non-conventional, prevent the production of methane, which is 21 times more dangerous than carbon dioxide. This is list of biomass plants in Semenanjung, Malaysia. Energy resources, Neighbourhood, Pelga Palm Industries, Kilang Kelapa Sawit Lekir in Perak. This is the energy source used and the plant type they use in the power generation plant. While this is a list of biomass plants in Sabah, Cash Flow Neighbourhood in Sanakan Sabah, Bioenergy Neighbourhood in Tawau Sabah, and Kina Biopower in Sanakan Sabah. They use empty fruit punch, and this is image of empty fruit punch. While this is electricity potential from biomass in Sarawak. Thank you.
What is the largest biomass used in Malaysia?
The largest biomass used in Malaysia is palm oil, and the second largest is municipal solid waste (MSW).